Is your Android phone refusing to charge past 80%? It's a common and often intentional behavior, and we're here to explain why and how you can fix it. If you've ever plugged in your Android only to find it stubbornly stuck at 80% or 85%, you might be confused or even worried about your battery health. Don't worry, in many cases, this is by design. Many modern Android devices, especially those from Samsung and Google, implement smart charging features that intentionally cap the charge level. Let's find out why. The primary reason for this limit is battery longevity. Keeping a lithium-ion battery constantly at 100% can degrade its capacity faster over time, so limiting the charge protects your battery's lifespan. The 80% threshold usually relates to built-in battery protection software features, or, critically, preventing damage from heat. Features like adaptive charging or optimized charging learn your habits and slow down or pause charging near 80% until just before you typically need your phone fully charged. Another major factor is overheating. If your phone gets too warm while charging, the system will pause charging, often around the 80% mark, to prevent thermal damage to the battery. To confirm if a smart charging feature is the culprit, you need to check your phone's battery settings. Here's how. For Samsung devices, look for Protect Battery. For Google Pixel, search for Adaptive Charging or Optimized Charging within the battery settings menu. If you need your phone to charge to 100% immediately, you can typically disable this feature. Just be mindful of the trade-off with long-term battery health. If smart features aren't enabled, overheating is likely the cause. Here are a few simple ways to keep your phone cool while charging. First, always remove your phone case while charging, especially if it's a thick or insulated case, as this traps heat. Charge your phone in a cool environment, away from direct sunlight or heat sources like radiators or hot surfaces. Also, close any heavy background apps that are consuming a lot of processing power, as this generates internal heat. If the problem persists after checking your settings and temperature, you might be dealing with other hardware or software issues. Check your charging cable and adapter for damage. A faulty cable or using a low-quality, non-original adapter might limit the power delivery, stalling the charge. Sometimes a simple software glitch can affect charging. Try rebooting your phone to clear temporary errors that might be causing the limit. In summary, check your smart charging settings, ensure your phone is cool, and inspect your cable and adapter to resolve the 80% charging cap. If all else fails, especially if your battery life has significantly degraded, the battery itself may need replacement. It's time to seek professional repair.